There were officers which UPSC selected, but these officers were not performing very ethically. बहुत सारे officers जो हैं, they were involved in nepotism, they were involved in bribery. What will you do if I give you 100 crores? You tell me, what will you do? You will say, I will donate, I will use it for my country, I will do this, I will do that. Supposedly, in actuality, I give you 100 crores. The main issue, what I think is, firstly, there were officers which UPSC selected, but these officers were not performing very ethically. There were cases of corruption, there were cases of nepotism. What is nepotism? परिवारवाद. परिवारवाद मतलब, if I have the authority and I appoint my own relative, my son, my brother, my sister, or a brother to a position of, where they can get benefit. मेरे पास रिक्रूटमेंट की पावर है, मैंने एप्लीकेशंस मंगाई, 100 लोगों ने एप्लीकेशंस दी, लेकिन मैंने कहा कि अरे जब मेरे को ही लगाना है तो भाई को लगा देती हूँ. नेपोटिज्म मतलब मैंने मेरिट नहीं देखी, क्या देखा? रिश्ता. नेपोटिज्म. तो उन्होंने देखा कि बहुत सारे ऑफिसर्स जो हैं, दे वर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन नेपोटिज्म, दे वर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन ब्राइबरी, there was crony capitalism. What is crony capitalism? We will see. These are terms which we will be using in many times. So all of this was happening. Now how to check if a person is ethical or not? Very difficult. Can you know anybody's ethicality? हम एक दूसरे से बहुत सालों तक बात करें तब भी किसी के मन में क्या चल रहा है हम नहीं जान सकते. और एक इंस्टीट्यूशन यानी कि यूपीएससी, कैन एन इंस्टीट्यूशन चेक that if the person is ethical or not by any means? One that has been introduced is exam, fine, but is it foolproof? Foolproof thing can only be if we had some electrodes put up here and we could check what exactly the person is thinking. But again, thoughts can change. There are people who are very ethical when they start preparing, and I have seen them, their ideas of ethics change when they get selected, because till you have no power, how do you think, does it affect you? Like if I ask you, what will you do if I give you 100 crores? You tell me, what will you do? You will say, I will donate, I will use it for my country, I will do this, I will do that. Supposedly, in actuality, I give you 100 crores. Your ideas will change. Suddenly you will say, oh, I have 100 crore, a donation बाद में देखेंगे, है ना? Let's go for a vacation. So, until unless you have actual power, ethics doesn't get checked. It is always said character of a person is checked when they are in power. So if right now, if a person is not rich, not powerful, can that person shout at anybody else? Can this person show anger, affect others? Not too much. But if this person is given power, if this person is made CM, DM, officer of any department, now the character will be checked. Is he or she shouting now? Is he or she abusing the power now? So the power is the criteria to check ethics. And these officers which UPSC is going to select will have power. Now there is no foolproof mechanism. There are no electrodes. So only way they can check is by trying to make, student write ethics. And when they make students write ethical answers, doing case studies, do they want theoretical answers? रट्टू तोते वाले answers चाहिए क्या उन्हें? Will theoretical answers get you marks? practical solutions. And you have to have that feeling, passion and expression in your answers. जैसे कि अगर मैंने आपको कहा चोरी मत करना, चोरी करना बुरी बात है, पता है सबको, आपको चोरी इसलिए नहीं करनी चाहिए क्योंकि अगर आप चोरी करोगे और वही चोरी दूसरे ने भी करी तो सब चोरी करने लगेंगे, कोई किसी पे विश्वास नहीं करेगा. किस बात से ज्यादा असर आया? सेकंड बात से ना. सो it is always your expression that makes your ideas more reflective of your ethics. We all know. How many of you think you are ethical? You think you are? Doubt? Achha. Basic ethics you have. You know that telling lies is wrong, cheating is wrong, lying is wrong. What else? Doing murder is? You all know that. Then why do we need to study ethics? We all know that. Dadaji knew that. Nanaji, Pardad, everybody knew that. And they were following it. There was no need of that, reiterating ethics and all ethical values or all these things. Now, why do you need that? Because, firstly, you must know what is right and what is wrong. If I teach you, can you say, मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था, I was not aware. Example, X person goes to a country, they don't know the laws. He doesn't know the law. And because he doesn't know the law, he breaks the red light. Because in their country, there might be like green light, which is for stopping. Here it is red light. This person breaks the light. Y person, inhabitant of the same country, he knows that he should be stopping at the red light. But this person doesn't stop. This person also doesn't stop. Who is wrong? Y is definitely wrong. इसको तो माफी नहीं है क्योंकि इसको पता है रेड लाइट पे रुकना चाहिए फिर भी. Now this person X, इसको पता ही नहीं था तो ये कम से कम जाके बोल सकता है उसको, पुलिस वाले को, I am new to this country, I didn't knew that it is wrong. Similar thing can happen with an officer also. Can they say, oh, अच्छा मुझे लगा पैसे नहीं लेने होते, गिफ्ट भी नहीं लेना होता? Can they say? So earlier there was a problem. So officer said, oh, I know taking money is a bribe, but is taking gift also a bribe? Now they can't say मुझे पता नहीं था क्योंकि हमने पहले ethics पढ़ा दिया आपको. Even before taking you as an officer, you have been taught that what is right and what is wrong.